She's sleeping and I'm
on power flash.
I'm just like, yeah, I'm going to turn people up. I can't hardly hear.
Or lightning. Oh, there was another one.
This wind still don't match that pressure, but it's whatever.
Strip mall is being shredded by 100-mile-per-hour winds. Helene has officially made landfall.
Hurricane warning.
Get back. You see all them power flashes?
Yeah, I did. They showed up well on your live feed, according to my guy in Indiana. Okay.
It just made landfall, so it's about to get crazy.
Yeah.
Whoa, me. Whoa!
Hurricane warning. Hurricane warning.
Oh yeah, there's chasers all over this garage. Yeah, it made landfall.
What they'll say.
Made me jump, I'm not going to lie.
On the
Oh, more.
chat
Whoa.
Make me a cup of coffee with my caramel macchiato creamer.
Ooh, that sounds good.
Tempted on making a Cinderella latte.
Whoa, that power flash. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, I knew it. I knew we'd get power flashes right there. Woo. Whoa. Oh, damn. Eric just left and he's probably in the crap right now. He's about to pull off probably. He's about to pull off. Oh, damn. Oh, now there it is. Whoa. Yeah, it's shaking my whole car. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
that outer band that you have rolling through is potent.
It sure is.
Also, the light came on the tiki bar at Cedar Key. We're waiting on the fish to swim by.
We're waiting on the fish to swim by. Thank you all for coming over.
Can't see anything else but the ocean, so I'm figuring we wait on the fish.
Whoa! Whoa! Oh! This is better than the Weather Channel? Oh, there you go. I like the sound of that. How you doing, Sauce? Can I get out of here? Probably not with the flooding. These parking garages are meant to hold tons and tons and tons of weight. Place to be. Maybe not up on the top here like this. I'm a little crazy for doing that. Because, you know, debris can fly.